Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update the Android system on your MXQ TV box. It's an easy and simple method that will solve a lot of problems on your TV box. If you're having trouble opening YouTube, accessing the Play Store, or experiencing a lot of lag on your TV box system, this could save your life. I'm going to teach you how to do this update in a really simple and easy way. This will help you avoid a lot of errors on your TV box. Sometimes your device just needs an update to work better and perform at its best. So guys, here you're going to go into settings, right? Settings. You're going to press OK here. Alright, settings. And the next option you're going to select, guys, is right here, About. And right after that, you're going to go here, System Update. This is the option that will update your TV box. You're going to click on it. And then press OK. Alright, here it has already checked for updates, and now I can update my TV box. It will check if there's any update available, right? Here it's already saying that it will be updated to Android version 7.1.2. But since mine is already updated, guys, to this version and my system only supports up to this version, it doesn't update beyond that. I go back here to the home screen and my system is already updated. If yours isn't updated, it will reload the whole system again, right? It will take a little while to complete this update, and it will update your Android system, and then your Play Store and YouTube will start working again. You'll notice better performance on your TV box. So that's what I wanted to share with you all today. At the end screen, I'll leave 2 videos for you. Click on one of them and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, see you next time, and I'm out.